Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can watch high quality HD reels on Instagram. If you are having a quality problem on your Instagram reels, then you must do these settings. So for that, just open your Instagram account and go to your profile. Now in your profile at the top right side, click on these three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and here you will get an option called data usage and media quality. Click on this one. Now when you click on this, here you can see high resolution media. Click on this one. Now there are three options: never, Wi-Fi only, cellular plus Wi-Fi. If you want to watch high quality videos on your mobile data and on Wi-Fi both, you will click on this cellular plus Wi-Fi. Now you will get high quality HD videos on your Instagram even if you are on Wi-Fi or on your mobile data. But if you want to save your mobile data on only want to watch high quality videos on only Wi-Fi, you will click on this one. So these are the options that you can try.